What's the meaning of criminology? Criminology. Criminology.
Criminology. Criminology. Criminology is the study of crime, criminals, and the criminal justice system. It involves examining the causes, nature, and consequences of various forms of criminal behavior, as well as exploring methods for preventing and responding to crime. Criminologists use a range of research methods to collect and analyze data on crime trends and patterns, offender characteristics, and the effectiveness of interventions. By understanding the complex factors that contribute to criminal behavior, criminologists aim to develop evidence-based strategies for reducing crime and improving public safety.